The battle between Bomet Governor Isaac Ruto and Deputy President William Ruto is starting to take shape after a candidate allied to the governor trounced the Jubilee Alliance Party candidate in the hotly contested Nyangore's ward by-election. The battle now shifts to neighboring Kericho County, where Baringo Senator and KANU Chairman Gideon Moi is expected to face off with Deputy President William Ruto as they both campaign for their respective candidates in the senatorial by-election slated for March the 7th. Gideon Moi and Isaac Ruto combined efforts to floor Jubilee in Bomet.
Bomet Governor Isaac Ruto, together with Kuresoi lawmaker Zakayo Cheruyot and his Nandi Hills counterpart Alfred Keter, waited patiently as vote tallying for Nyangore's ward by-election continued. Governor Ruto had campaigned for People's Patriotic Party of Kenya candidate Andrew Maritim against Jubilee Alliance Party candidate Richard Leitich. Isaac Ruto's political campaign gained momentum after Baringo Senator and KANU Chairman Gideon Moi joined the campaign trail with other KANU leaders to rally support for Maritim. Jubilee Alliance Party candidate Richard Leitich, who had the support of Deputy President William Ruto, received a boost when Deputy Speaker Joyce Laboso rallied more than 20 lawmakers in a high-profile campaign. Andrew Maritim emerged the winner after he garnered 4,998 votes. Richard Leitich of Jubilee Alliance Party emerged second with 3,029 votes. Bernard Terrell of Convention Party got 52 votes. Leaders allied to Bomet Governor Isaac Ruto say the by-election results signal the beginning of a new political era.
I want also to thank the entire people of Bomet County and other counties and the entire South Rift for their prayers and this unity, and it has shown that this is liberation. This is liberation of the gypsies and the courage in politics.
Wewe sort out the cases of hate, wacha kutuchezea. Hapa sio kusikaribia eneo hili.
Kuna watu hawataki viongozi wengine wenye wako na msimamo Rift Valley. Na tembea akifika Bomet anakuta Isaac anataka kusima taa ya Isaac. Akifika Baringo anakuta taa inawika ya Senator Gideon Moi anataka kusima. Anafika West Pokot anataka kusima yangu. Ati anataka kusima hata kidogo iko Nandi Hills na ito Keter. Mutakubali kweli? Semeni shindwe.
From Bomet, campaigns now shift to neighboring Kericho County, where KANU has fielded former Bureti lawmaker Paul Sang to face off with Jubilee Alliance Party candidate Aaron Cheruyot. KANU has expressed optimism that its candidate will carry the day should voters in Kericho take the cue from voters in Nyangore. In Makueni, supremacy battles played out between Code Core Principals Kalonzo Musyoka's Wiper Democratic Movement and Machakos Governor Dr. Alfred Mutua's Maendeleo Chap movement. Governor Mutua rallied support for the independent party candidate Florence Kilonzo against Wiper candidate Philip Mumo in the Masongaleni ward by-election. After the results were announced, Kalonzo Musyoka's candidate had floored Mutua's candidate. Philip Mumo garnered 1,952 votes against Florence Kilonzo, who came a distant second with 1,239 votes. In Coast Region, the Orange Democratic Party will engage in a popularity contest in the Malindi constituency by-election slated for March 7th. The by-election has shaped into a two-horse race pitting ODM's candidate William Mtengo and Jubilee Alliance Party candidate Philip Charo. Kericho County in the Rift Valley and Malindi constituency in Kenya's Coast Region will witness heightened political campaigns as the government and opposition lose voters to their side. Patrick Amimo, KTN News.